This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Welcome to day 5 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. I am Marcus Miller, and today we are going to talk about one of the most important parts of online marketing. Your first follow-up message. A lot of marketers focus only on getting traffic. They want clicks. They want visitors. They want people to see their page, but traffic by itself is not enough. If someone visits your page and leaves, that opportunity may be gone forever. That is why follow-up matters. When someone joins your list, your first message helps set the tone. It tells them who you are. It reminds them why they joined. It points them toward the next step. And most importantly, it starts building trust. Your first follow-up message does not need to be complicated. In fact, simple is usually better. You do not need to sound like a big company. You do not need to use hype. You do not need to promise overnight results. You just need to welcome the person, give them a clear message, and guide them toward the next action. Think of your first message like a handshake. Someone raised their hand by entering their information. Now your job is to greet them professionally. You want them to feel like they made a good decision by requesting more information. A good first follow-up message should do 5 things. First, welcome them. Second, remind them what they requested. Third, introduce the main benefit. Fourth, give them one clear link or action. Fifth, let them know they will receive more helpful information from you. Here's a simple example. Subject line, welcome. Here's your next step. Message. Hi, thanks for requesting more information. You are now connected to my online marketing training and follow-up system. The goal is simple. Help you learn how to build traffic, capture leads, and follow up with prospects using simple online tools. Your next step is to log in and review the information here. Place your referral link to TripleTron here. Over the next few days, I will be sending you more helpful tips to help you understand how the system works and how to take action. Talk soon. Your name. That is it. Simple, clear, professional. The first message is not supposed to explain everything. It is supposed to open the door. One of the biggest mistakes marketers make is trying to put too much into the first email. They explain the company. They explain the compensation plan. They explain every feature. They add too many links, and by the end of the message, the reader is overwhelmed. Do not do that. Your first message should only have one main purpose. Get the person to take the next step. That next step may be watching a video, joining TripleTron, logging into LeadsLeap, reading a short page, or learning more about your system, but keep it focused. One message, one idea, one action. That is how you make follow-up easier to understand. Inside LeadsLeap, you can use SendSteed to create your follow-up messages. Your goal today is not to build a full campaign. Your goal is to create your first message. Start with a simple welcome email. Use plain language. Be helpful, be clear, and make sure your link works before you save it. This is also where consistency starts. One email may not change everything overnight, but one email becomes 2, 2 becomes 3, 3 becomes a real follow-up campaign. And once that campaign is built, it can work for you every time someone joins your list. That is the power of building systems. You are not trying to chase every prospect manually. You are creating a simple process that helps people understand your message over time. Today's action step is simple. Log into LeadsLeap, go to your SendSteed autoresponder area, create or open your list, add your first follow-up message, write a short welcome email, include one clear link, save it, then send yourself a test if that option is available. Read it like a prospect would read it. Ask yourself, is it clear? Is it friendly? Does it tell the person what to do next? Does the link work? If the answer is yes, you have completed day 5. This may seem like a small step, but it is a major foundation, because from this point forward, every lead you capture can begin receiving your message automatically. That means your system is starting to work. That is day 5 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you created the beginning of your follow-up system. In the next lesson, we are going to continue building on this by talking about what your next follow-up messages should say so your prospects do not just receive one message and disappear. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 6. For this practice exercise, I will walk you through exactly how to get your list manager set up to add your welcome email. After you have logged into your LeadsLeap account, you will click on List Manager and the list name you created earlier. You will see a jumping red highlight that says, "Click here to complete setup." You will click that setup wheel. The list settings will pop up, and this is where you can change your list name. The next slot, you have to enter your name. This is the sender's name that will be shown in the recipient's email. Then you will enter your contact email address. This is the reply to email that will be shown in the recipient's email. If subscriber reply, they will reply to this email. The next slot is for email verification. If you use a different email than the one you created your LeadsLeap account with, you will have to verify it. But if you use the one you registered with, you will be auto-approved. Then you must enter your real mailing address to comply with the 2003 CAN-SPAM Act. Once you have filled that in, that is the basic setup to get you going. Scroll to the bottom and click Yes. You want to be notified that someone opted into your list, but after they have verified their emails. Then scroll a little further and click You agree to the following conditions. Then save and activate. Next, you will click on the wheel with the envelope. Then you will click the Edit pencil under Welcome Email section. Enter the subject line. You can use ChatGPT to help you build your email series if you're having trouble. Place your message in the body area, then click on Save Changes, and your very first email is now completed. You have completed day 5. We will see you on day 6.